Hi, good evening. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Profit booking, profit booking, profit booking was the course for the day. Nifty price action suggests that bulls might bleed and might be challenging to hold 19,500 levels. On an intraday basis, Nifty breaks 19,500 to make intraday low of 19,423 to close at 19,523. Bank Nifty opens gap down, continues its profit booking to slide up to 44,720 to close at 44,996, signaling more weakness and caution at this point of the time. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.